Hey everyone, this is James with Kinetic Labs, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the core features of the GridFlow plugin. In this example, I'm using images and video. However, GridFlow works with nearly any object in Figma. However, we'll cover more details of those use cases in another video. Let's start by selecting our assets. These are the objects we want to create a grid with. Now, there are two things I want to call out when selecting objects. 1. The object count at the top of the plugin. This tells you how many objects you have selected. And 2. The Quick Layouts section updates automatically based on this count, recommending you the most relevant layouts. At this point, you can select one of these quick layouts, or click the See All button to see more. From the All Layouts view, you'll see the top 8 recommended layouts, along with an option to Show All. Clicking Show All will show you all available layouts for the number of objects you have selected. Now's where the fun begins. Clicking any of the available quick layouts will automatically transform your objects into a grid. It's as simple as that. Select as many different layout options as you want until you find the one that fits your project the best. Before going crazy with selecting quick layouts, I recommend resizing your grid frame to the size you intend to use. This ensures you're reviewing the intended final state as different sizes produce different results. You can easily resize the frame by either dragging the handles up and down or entering width and height values into the Dimensions field within Figma. Once you have a layout you like, you can remix the objects in the layout by clicking the Refresh button. Do this as much as you like until you find the composition you're happy with. This is one of my favorite features and is a huge time saver when experimenting with different layouts. After setting your layout, you can go back to the Grid tab and adjust the gap sizing. That's the space between objects. To do this, you can either click the plus or minus buttons, or enter a numerical value into the gap field. Your changes will be updated in real time directly on the canvas. Once you've finalized your layout, just click the Flatten button to consolidate everything into one clean frame containing your objects. And that's it. We just covered the basics of creating your first grid flow. Look for more videos like these showing you all the different ways you can use it to maximize your creative workflow. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you make with it.